Welcome back, students. Last week we talked about the magic of three and using red flag words to build suspense and tension. Well, today we're going to be doing something just like that, but slightly different because there's more than one way to build tension. Today, boys and girls, we're going to be focusing on word reference. That's right. Now I know you were saying to yourself, Mr. Nunn, what's a word reference? Think of it this way. A word reference is like teasing the reader, but by not revealing what it is that you're really talking about. Okay? Let me give you an example. Here we go. Look right here. I saw a dragon. Well, if you saw a dragon, you already told the reader what it was. You didn't build any suspense. You just went on and told us. But what if you did it this way? What if you said, the creature was huge and dark. It made a rumbling sound. I can feel this mysterious beast's breath on my face. All those things made you use your context clues to kind of figure out what I'm talking about. And that is what word references is. It is pretty much using synonyms of words that you're using. Okay, so let me be clear here. Okay, again, building suspense and anticipation does not have to be scary. No, it does not have to be scary. It just provides a sense of anticipation. Okay, all right. Boom. So how does it work? It works like this. Suppose the author wants to build suspense before revealing the story's critical character. One way to do it is by using word reference. Now, word reference, you have to have two sides. The first side, right here, the first side are the nouns. These are the synonyms of the words that are just like the word that you're trying to keep from the reader, the noun. On the other side will be the adjectives. The adjectives will describe the nouns. The adjectives will describe the nouns. All right, so let me give you an example. Take a look at this picture here. Bam! Okay, so you saw the picture. It was a picture of a knight. What are some words that will describe a knight? Put on your thinking caps. Come up with 4 words that describes a knight. Go! Okay, you're back? All right, so let's go through it. A knight could be a warrior. A knight could be a fighter. A knight could be a soldier. And a knight is simply a man. All right, so we got a warrior, a fighter, a soldier, and a man. Now, let's use some interesting adjectives to describe those 4 reference words. Let's go with a powerful warrior. Let's go with metal-clad fighter. Let's go with sword-swinging or sword-fighting soldier. Oh, I like that. And the last, let's go with armor man. So if I take these word references, powerful warrior, metal-clad fighter, sword-swinging soldier, and armor man, those are my references that leads me to the great reveal of a knight. You will complete this worksheet that I provided for you. There are going to be, there's going to be at least 2 on the paper. All right? One could be a clown, one could be a soldier, another one could be a fancy car like a Corvette. All right? Your job is to come up with 4 word references that will describe the critical character without revealing what it is. All right. That's my assignment. It's short and sweet. We're building suspense. I know you like a book. I want to see your work. Show me what you got. And I'm out of here. Peace.
Flesley.